Good morning, students. This is Sheba. Now we are going to discuss about the Electronic Devices Unit 4 Special Semiconductor Devices. In our previous session, we have discussed about the MESFET, FinFET, PinFET and CNT-FET, and also about type of diodes like Zener diode, Schottky barrier diode and dual gate MOSFET. In this session, we are going to see about another type of diode. This varactor diode is also called as tuning or voltage variable capacitor diode, in which small impurity is added to its junction. This varactor diode operates only in the reverse bias condition. Its transition capacitance is easily varied electronically, and the depletion region acts as the dielectric material which separates the two plates of capacitor. This is the symbolic representation of this varactor diode, from which you can clearly see the dielectric material separating the two plates of capacitor. The capacitance here is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates, that is CT is proportional to 1 by W. At 0 volt, the varactor depletion region W is small and the capacitance is large at approximately 600 picofarad. When the reverse bias voltage across the varactor is 15 volt, the capacitance is 30 picofarad. This is the depletion region diagrammatic representation for various values of capacitance, namely 20 picofarad and 5 picofarad, with input voltages varying from 3 volt to 6 volt. And this is the characteristics of varactor diode with respect to voltage and the capacitance value. From this, you can clearly see when the capacitance starts increasing, that is reverse capacitance, reverse voltage, when the voltage starts increasing, reverse voltage VR from negative towards positive, the capacitance also increases. Regarding the applications of varactor diode, it is applied in FM radio, TV receivers, AFC circuits, that is audio frequency circuits, self-adjusting bridge circuits, adjustable bandpass filters. Moving to another type of diode, tunnel diode. A tunnel diode is also known as SK diode. It is highly doped semiconductor which is capable of very fast operation. The germanium material is basically used to make tunnel diodes. Since Leo SK invented the tunnel diode, it is said to be SK diode. The tunnel diode exhibits negative resistance in their operating range, and therefore it is used as amplifier, oscillator and in any switching circuits. Regarding the normal PN junction and tunnel diode, the normal PN junction impurity 1 part in 10 power 8, whereas in tunnel diode impurity 1 part in 10 power 3, and in normal PN junction the depletion region layer 5 microns, and in tunnel diode the depletion layer is less than 10 power minus 8 micron, which is very minute. You can clearly see in this symbolic and diagrammatic representation. Regarding the VI characteristics of tunnel diode, which is drawn across voltage to current, you can see here voltage versus current is drawn. Here, regarding initially the voltage starts increasing, the current also starts increasing, and when the voltage drops to a certain value, the current also drops to the value, and after dropping this value, again the voltage starts increasing suddenly, and this point, that reaching the peak and dropping to the value, and that portion is said to be negative resistance region, which is clearly marked in this diagram. And you can see this tunnel diode diagrammatic graphical representation for both forward and reverse bias condition. How tunnel diode conducts and how ordinary diode conducts. Tunnel diode is generally ordinary diode is a linear diode. You can see here there is no any change, abrupt change. Whereas in tunnel diode, after reaching the peak, it drops down to the voltage and again it starts reaching its peak. And this portion is said to be the negative resistance region. Regarding this tunnel diode, as voltage increases, the current also increases till the current reaches the peak current, that is IPE. If voltage applied to the tunnel diode is increased beyond the peak voltage, the current will start decreasing. And this is said to be negative resistant region, which we have seen in the graphical representation itself. It prevails till valley point, that is VV. At valley point, the current IV through the diode will be minimum. Beyond the valley point, the tunnel diode acts as a normal diode. In reverse bias condition also, tunnel diode is an excellent conductor due to its high doping concentrations. You can see the three different parameters of this tunnel diode at unbiased, forward biased and reverse bias condition. And here at unbiased, the Fermi level is very normal, and in forward bias condition, electrons and holes starts conducting, and reverse bias it starts quantum tunneling. And so this, due to this characteristics, it is said to be the tunnel diode. Regarding the equivalent circuit of the tunnel diode, when biased in the negative resistance region, the value of RS and LS can be ignored at high frequency, which you can clearly see in the circuit diagram. The equivalent circuit of the tunnel diode in which RS and LS is neglected for high frequencies, and typical values or ranges from RS is equal to 6 ohm, LS is equal to 0.1 nano Henry, and CJ is equal to 0.6 picofarad, and RN is equal to 75 ohm. Moving to the operation, that is applications of tunnel diode in real-time devices. It is used in ultra-high speed switch of the order of nanosecond or picosecond, logic memory storage devices, microwave oscillator circuits, relaxation oscillator, and as an amplifier. The major advantages and disadvantages regarding this tunnel diode are: tunnel diode has low noise and ease of operation and high speed and low power. Due to this advantages, it is used in many real-time applications. And regarding the disadvantages of this tunnel diode, its voltage range over which it can be operated is less than 1 volt. Being a two-terminal device, there is no isolation between the input and output circuit. So this is about the topics which we have discussed now. Regarding the important questions from the topic we have discussed, part A 2 marks. What is varactor diode? How capacitance of a diode varies with reverse voltage? What is tunnel diode and what is the difference between this tunnel diode and an ordinary PN junction diode? State the applications of varactor diode and applications of tunnel diode. So whenever you start preparing for the part A or part B, whatever it is, you just prepare with the real-time applications where it is implemented or where it is being used. Regarding part B and part C, 13 marks and 15 marks question, explain the principle behind the varactor diode and list out its applications. Describe the construction, symbol, VI characteristics and application of tunnel diode. With energy band diagram, explain the theory and characteristics of tunnel diode. As I have mentioned in our previous sessions, you just prepare any topic as a 15 mark or 13 mark, then you will be able to reproduce itself when it is asked in 8 mark or 4 mark also. Moving to the important links for reference. Here I have also given the website links regarding the real-time applications of this diode, varactor and tunnel diode where it is implemented, and also corresponding book references, electronic devices, UA Bakshi and AP Godse. Chapter 4, page number 23 to 32 corresponds to the topic which we have discussed now. Regarding the applications this tunnel diode and varactor diode is major applied in amplifier and switching circuits. So this we have analyzed a lot in the previous session itself. Of course, in any amplifier or any switching circuit, this diode plays an important role, and so due to its special characteristics, this varactor diode and tunnel diode is applied in many real-time amplifier and switching circuits. This is about the topic which we have discussed now. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.